Top 8 Profitable Manufacturing Business Ideas Under 75 Lakhs. Start your own industry. Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we are delving into a compelling subject for potential investors in the manufacturing industry. We'll tell about 8 lucrative business opportunities that can be initiated with a primary investment in plant and equipment ranging from 60 to 75 lakhs. These businesses are not only profitable but also resonate with current market trends and demands, both domestically in India and internationally. Peanut oil production. Starting with peanut oil production, this business idea is golden due to the increasing demand for healthy cooking oils. With a plant setup costing between 60 to 75 lakhs, you can tap into a market that's expected to grow as consumers become more health conscious. Peanut oil is not just popular in India but also has a significant export potential. Moringa Oleifar powder manufacturing. Moringa Oleifar, commonly known as drumstick, is a superfood gaining international fame. Its powder form is easy to market due to its health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Starting this manufacturing unit could see you capitalizing on the global wellness trend. School, CBSE pattern. Investing in education is always a valuable choice. Starting a school that follows the CBSE curriculum represents a long-term commitment to shaping the future of the nation. As the demand for quality education increases, your initial investment has the potential to become a continuous source of income and contribute to community development. PVC pipes manufacturing. PVC pipes are essential in both rural and urban infrastructure. The industry is booming due to the ongoing construction and renovation activities worldwide. An initial setup cost within our budget can position you in a continuously expanding market. Hydraulic hose with crimping facility of hose end fittings. With the rise in mechanization and industrialization, there's a high demand for hydraulic hoses. Setting up a manufacturing unit with crimping facilities can cater to various sectors such as agriculture, construction, and automotive, ensuring multiple revenue streams. Calcium gluconate production. As a valued additive in both the pharmaceutical and food industries, calcium gluconate consistently maintains a strong market presence due to ongoing health consciousness and expanding medical requirements. This manufacturing venture offers a robust potential for profit. Floral foam manufacturing, essential to the growing floriculture sector, driven by increasing interest in aesthetics and environmental sustainability. Floral foam production is both cost-effective and meets widespread international demand. This makes it an appealing option for entrepreneurs focused on export markets. Cold storage facilities. Cold storage plays an indispensable role in the food supply chain, particularly in agriculturally prominent countries like India. This business not only contributes to significant reductions in food waste but also benefits from substantial government incentives, presenting a lucrative business opportunity. Outlook and investment insight. Investment and plant machinery costs, 60 lakhs 75 lakhs. All of the business ideas we've reviewed today require an initial outlay of 60 to 75 lakhs for plant and machinery. This budget is well suited for startups aiming to optimize efficiency and minimize financial exposure. It enables entrepreneurs to establish fully operational facilities that can start production right away, leading to a faster route to profitability. Why startups should choose these business ideas? Scalability. Each business ideas offers scalability. For example, once a cold storage facility is established, it can expand by increasing capacity or diversifying into different types of perishable goods storage. Market demand. The selected industries are backed by robust market demand. For instance, the global shift towards healthier food options boosts the market for products like peanut oil and moringa powder. Regulatory support. Governments, especially in India, are supporting manufacturing startups through various schemes and incentives, particularly in sectors like education and agriculture, which align with national priorities. Technological advancements. With technological advancements, manufacturing processes in sectors like PVC pipes and hydraulic hoses have become more cost-effective and efficient, offering higher margins for new entrants. Export potential. Several of these industries, such as peanut oil and floral foam, have significant export potential. This opens up global markets for startups, enhancing profitability. Benefits and advantages. Diversification. Establishing a business in these industries promotes diversification. For example, a firm that produces calcium gluconate can readily expand its offerings to include additional pharmaceutical and nutraceutical products. Every manufacturing enterprise in these sectors aids in job generation, a key component of socio-economic growth, particularly in developing economies. Environmental impact. Sectors such as cold storage play a role in minimizing food waste, thereby enhancing environmental sustainability. India and global market outlook. The outlook for these industries looks bright globally. As cities grow and industries expand, there's a rising demand for products essential to infrastructure, such as PVC pipes. Additionally, the global focus on health and wellness is boosting sectors like superfoods and nutritional supplements. India's advantageous position as an exporter and its vast domestic market provide startups with a unique opportunity to thrive both locally and on the international stage. We've covered some exciting opportunities today that are not only financially viable but also strategically sound in the current economic climate. With the right planning and execution, these business ideas under a plant and machinery investment of 60 to 75 lakhs can become leading enterprises in their respective fields. Do you think one of these ideas could be your next business venture? Start planning now, and you could set yourself on the path to industry leadership. Keep watching our channel for more guidance and detailed business plans. Remember, a timely investment can transform your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us. Share this video with aspiring entrepreneurs and help us build a community of innovative leaders. Until next time, keep dreaming big and working hard.